Imagine visualizing a digital realization of you. That sounds amazing, right? Well, that's what we do at MacJac Artwork. We use your digital images to create a photorealistic, full-color 3D models, mini replicas of you. You just provide us a high-resolution shots from your already taken pictures through cell phones or cameras, and we then create a highly detailed and real 3D model. We have done it for years and have made thousands of models with impressive testimonials, as some call it a crazy, amazing science. We have the best team of 3D artists to bring out the perfect model. We also bring you the most advanced 3D color printing available. With 6 million colors at our disposal, our top-of-the-line color stone and powder-based printer produces exceptional high-resolution models with sandstone texture similar to ceramic. The model will be lovingly made to your appreciation. A deluxe mini you. Order your size, style today. Email your photographs to support@MacJacArtwork.com and you get your 3D model by mail within 20 days. MacJac Art, where the only thing better than you is two of you.